Hello guys, today we are going to learn about very simple things, that is actually newsletter subscription. Okay, first of all we have to enable some form related variables. Yeah, actually this is the built-in variables. Okay, forms related 1 2 3 4 5 6 variable. Enable them. Now go to the preview section. Okay, preview your website. It's connecting. Just takes few seconds. Actually it's connecting. Yeah, it's connected. Contact page. Yeah, this is the newsletter subscription form. Okay, fill up the form and submit. Let's check. Yeah, form start event fired. It's fired by the built-in variables we have enabled them. Okay, so we got here the form start event. Actually it's event form start. We can use this form start event. We can use click class. We can use click id. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the form start event. Now create a trigger, new trigger, custom event, form start. Okay, it's just copy and paste here. Form start. Okay, name the trigger newsletter subscription trigger. Okay, save, create a tag, new tag for GA4, so measurement ID, GA4 measurement ID. Okay, form newsletter form submission. Okay, trigger, where is the trigger? GA4 newsletter form submission. Okay, submit. Just save. Go to the preview section again for test. Okay, it's connecting. Yeah, it's connected. Submit the form again. Yeah, okay, submit. Thanks for signing up for the newsletter. Okay, now check form start. This is the form submission tag fire. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Next video will show this form. This is WP form, how to track this WP form. Thank you so much.